Miguel.
My name is Isabelle.
My name is Kimberly.
My name is Lívia.
My name is Luisa.
Mine is Davi and we're from 6B.
Here in the woods, there are many trees with different fruits and species.
Here in the woods and chat with friends, and this is where spend or breaks.
Here there are several toys like slack lines and slides.
And the volleyball court we usually play, and there are also 9 swings.
Here in the woods there is also a pool with
3 ducks, 5 rabbits, 2 chickens and a rooster.